Hello, this is Ignacio Esparza. Today I want to show you my enhancement number 7. For this enhancement, I have created the client update. Here is the client update, which includes two forms, one for the client information and the email, and another for the password change. Also, the admin view, I have changed the admin view, adding a new a new link to update account information. I have modified the account model also to create new functions for update the client information and the client password. Also, I modified the index PHP from accounts. When I have added the cases to change update client information and for a change the password. Okay, go to test. Okay, go to the admin. When I log in with the admin account, I receive all the data of the admin user, including the link for update information and the products controller. Now, if I log in with another user, okay, so when I log in with another user, different with a different level than the user, I receive this view. Then go to update information. When I try to update and the fields are empty, I receive this error. And I received this this error. Okay. Yeah. Okay, please provide information from the fields. I don't know why I received this error. Changing the password, I could change the password, but I don't receive the message that was successful. I don't know why. If I try to modify my email, I don't know why I received this error. The email address exists. Okay. Okay. Now I go to test the HTML code. And I receive this error. I don't know why, because I have deleted this line and added the okay. I don't know why. I think it's here is my client update. I delete this line, this code. I correct the code here, but I receive same error. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe the cache browser cache. I don't know. If I review my index.php, I don't receive this message when I successfully update my account information. I don't know why. The information is updated, but I don't receive the message. Okay, I don't know why. I trying to do my best, but I can't. Okay. No, I don't know why. Maybe I need to okay. Okay, bye bye.